Hi there. So A is for Addict was started by myself as a tool for therapy to help me alleviate and get rid of pain and hurt and guilt and remorse and regret that I've been feeling for over 20 years. But with all the other people that have reached out, addicts and people caring for addicts, I've seen that this is more than just therapy for me. This is a tool that's helping people see that recovery is possible. So go ahead, subscribe, and then have a look at the books. Have a look at my life story and see that no matter how long you're in addiction, recovery is possible. It's more than possible. I hope to see you there. I hope to see my subscriber numbers go up so I know that you're watching, and be blessed. And just know, man, be focused, be strong, and you can do it. Thanks for visiting. Cheers.